In this exercise, we have to compute the area bounded by the curves x plus y equals 2 and the other curve x squared minus 4y equals 4. Now, pretend you haven't seen the picture yet. I just drew it here in advance. It'd be helpful. Wouldn't have to draw it on the fly. But let's see, how did I get to this picture? Really, that's the most important thing, because we want to know, what is this region, what does it look like, and then describe it as a double integral, and then decide whether we're going to do it horizontal slicing or vertical slicing, dx dy or dy dx. Okay, let's start with this one. It's obviously a straight line function. So if we start with the x plus y equals 2, we could draw it by, for example, plotting a few points. I like to take the intercepts. For example, if x equals 0, then y equals 2, and if y equals 0, then x equals 2. And so I know that the points 0, 2 and 2, 0 are on the straight line. I can draw the line through those. Let me write this as 2 and this as 2 also. Next, the other one. The other one is a parabola. If I extract y, if I bring the 4y to this side and the 4 to this side and then divide by 4, then instead of, well, I'll write it first of all as 4 equals x squared minus 4y. Then I'll bring the 4y over here and then divide by 4. Basically, I'll get y equals x squared over 4, say a quarter x squared. And then the minus 4 after I divided by 4 is minus 1.